In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play CS2 with black bars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are using a non-native resolution on your monitor, for example, if you are using 4:3, you might notice that it is filling the entire screen instead of giving you black bars. In order to have black bars on the side while using custom resolutions, you have to change a specific setting for your GPU. So first, I'm going to be talking about Nvidia, and then I'm going to be talking about AMD. For Nvidia, open the Nvidia control panel by right-clicking the desktop, and now under the display category, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Once you reach this page, go to Scaling, and you have to choose between one of these two scalings here. If you choose aspect ratio, this is going to give you black bars. As the name suggests, it is simply going to get the screen or the size of the game and stretch it to where it reaches the aspect ratio. So if it is a 4:3 resolution that you've created, it is going to run in 4:3 and it isn't going to fully stretch to fill the screen. If you choose full screen, then as the name suggests, this will stretch the entirety of the image. So in short, choose aspect ratio if you want to play with black bars. Make sure that you save this, and also you can try out different resolutions here. If you haven't added a custom resolution yet, then you can go over to change resolution and do it there. For AMD GPUs, you will open the software, go over to gaming, display, and the option that you need to change is this one, GPU scaling. Just make sure that this option is enabled, and then you change the scaling mode. So the same deal between full panel or aspect ratio, you should choose aspect ratio in order to have black bars. And you can add custom resolutions at the right side here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.